Engaged lessons for the 21st century.
Reading and Comprehension. Where on earth are you? Video 1. This is an engaged video created by Willoughby Eastlake Schools. How to use the video lesson. There are 4 steps and/or 4 options. Option number 1. Video and questions on screen. Complete video engaged. If you are presently using a smartboard, please remember to save this video first and then open it up with Smart Video Player. Step 2. Option 2. Video and print out only the comprehensive questions that are provided. The video will play the story and the students will write on the comprehensive questions. Step 3. Option 3. Simply print out the handout only and provide a handout for each student in your class. Step 4. Option 4. Simply use the smartboard lesson that is provided only. The 4 cardinal directions are shown on a magnetic compass. They are north, south, east, and west. The same 4 directions are also on a map. If you learn the cardinal directions, they can help you find where you are on a map. A compass rose is a printed symbol that shows these directions. It can help you understand maps. A compass rose is usually drawn as art, with designs and details to make it beautiful. This is especially true on very old maps. Another way to identify your exact location is to use lines of latitude and longitude. They are both imaginary lines that circle around Earth. Lines of latitude circle the Earth running east and west. Lines of longitude circle the Earth running north and south. Together, these lines form squares. It is like the lines you see on graph paper. If you look closely on most maps, you will see this graph paper printed on top of the map. If you look even closer, you will see numbers written by the lines. These numbers help to give addresses to places on Earth. The addresses for each place is known as its absolute location. The equator is the main line of latitude that circles Earth. It is the same distance from the North Pole as it is from the South Pole. The equator is the starting point for measuring degrees of latitude. Each line of latitude is marked with a number that says how many degrees north or south of the equator it is. The prime meridian is the main line of longitude that circles Earth. It is the starting point for measuring lines of longitude. Each line of longitude is marked with a number that says how many degrees east or west of the prime meridian it is. You can accurately identify absolute or exact locations on Earth. You determine the degrees that identify the latitude and longitude lines that cross closest to your location. If you would please, have a student come up to the smartboard for the very first series of comprehensive questions on where on earth are you? Thank you. Page 1. Please do not pick up a pen until you're asked to do so. Answer the following questions based on the reading passage. Don't forget to go back to the passage whenever necessary to find or confirm your answers. Question 1. What is the purpose of the compass rose? Question 2. What is a line of latitude? And question 3. What is a line of longitude? If you would please, pick up a pen and answer these 3 questions. Please do that now. Okay, here is what we have as the answer. Question 1. What is the purpose of the compass rose? It shows the cardinal directions on a map: north, south, east, and west. What is a line of latitude? An imaginary line that circles Earth east and west. Lines of latitude, right here in this paragraph, explain this concept. Question 3. What is a line of longitude? An imaginary line that circles Earth north and south. Again, in this paragraph, you'll find the answer to that question. If your answer matches ours, that is truly superior. If you would please, have another student come up to the smartboard for the next series of questions, and while they're doing that, if you would please erase your answers. Thank you. Page 2. Please do not pick up a pen until you are asked to do so. Answer the following questions based on the reading passage. Don't forget to go back to the passage whenever necessary to find or confirm your answers. Question 4. In your own words, explain how to find an absolute location. Question 5. Which is more helpful on a map? A compass rose or lines of latitude and longitude, and why? If you would please, pick up a pen to answer these two questions. Please do that now. Okay, here is what we have as the answer. In your own words, explain how to find an absolute location. Find the degrees of latitude and longitude. Question 5. Which is more helpful on a map? A compass rose or lines of latitude and longitude, and why? Latitude and longitude are more helpful because they show absolute location. The compass rose only shows direction. If your answer matches ours, that is truly incredible. Fantastic. If you would please, pick up an eraser and erase your answers. And we would like to thank you for working with us today on reading and comprehension.